In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how you can point your domain to a server in SiteGround. So let me get right into it. So therefore I go to the SiteGround dashboard. As you can see, I have logged in into the SiteGround dashboard already. So once you are logged in, then next thing you have to do is you have to go to the services option over here in the menu. So click on it. Then you see a screen like this will load up. Over here you can see the hosting plans that you have registered as your SiteGround account. In my case it's 3, but in your case it also might be 1, so doesn't matter. Next thing you have to do is you have to go to the domains option over here. You can see by default the hosting option is selected, but make sure to go to domains, so click on it. Now you can see an overview of all the domains that you have registered as your SiteGround account, so make sure to go to the domain that you want to point the server for. So in this example I want to point the domain for this website over here, websitelearninglab.com. So click on the manage option that you see over here. So I click on it. Now you can see this screen load up. Then you can see the name servers over here. So this is how it's set up right now. But if you want to change this to something else, make sure to click on manage name servers. And here you can change the name server 1 and also name server 2. And if you want to point another domain to the servers over here, then you have to make sure that you add this server and this server over at the dashboard of the other hosting provider. So I hope that's clear. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If that's the case, smash the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell. And with that being said, I hope to see you back again in the next video.